Hi everyone, welcome to Java Is. Today I will show you how to install Eclipse on Ubuntu operating system. Let us start. Open browser, search Eclipse, click on this link and here click on download button and again click on download x86 64. Now we are at the download page of Eclipse. Click on this download button. It will going to download the Eclipse. Here you can see downloading has just started. Since I already downloaded it, so now I am going to stop it. Minimize this browser. Now I am going to open downloads folder. Here you can see Eclipse tar file. Now I am going to extract here. Click on this folder, open it, and here you can see eclipse-inst file. So open terminal in this folder. Type /eclipse -inst. Enter. Here you can see Eclipse installer. It is going to install Eclipse. Wait for a few minutes. Here you can see installation completed successfully. Now I am going to launch it. Here you can select workspace according to your choice. I am selecting it by default. Here you can see Eclipse has been opened. That's all in this video. In the next video, I will show you how to install a Spring plugin in Eclipse and how to create a Spring Boot project and run on the embedded Tomcat server. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.